Subscribe Biology Tutor channel for more educational videos. How many elements are there in the periodic table? Answer: there are 118 elements in the periodic table. Who is credited with creating the periodic table? Answer: Dmitry Mendeleev is credited with creating the periodic table. What is the difference between a period and a group in the periodic table? Answer: a period is a row of elements in the periodic table, while a group is a column of elements in the periodic table. What is the significance of the atomic number in the periodic table? Answer: the atomic number indicates the number of protons in the nucleus of an atom of that element. What are some common elements found in the Earth's crust? Answer: oxygen, silicon, aluminum, iron, calcium, sodium, and potassium are some common elements found in the Earth's crust. Which element has the highest boiling point? Answer: tungsten has the highest boiling point. What is the symbol for the element sodium? Answer: Na. Which element is a non-metal and is a liquid at room temperature? Answer: bromine. What is the most abundant gas in the Earth's atmosphere? Answer: nitrogen. Which element is the most reactive metal? Answer: francium is the most reactive metal. What is the most common element in the universe? Answer: hydrogen is the most common element in the universe. Which element is used in thermometers? Answer: mercury is used in thermometers. What is the symbol for the element carbon? Answer: C. Which element is used as a coolant in nuclear reactors? Answer: helium. Which element is commonly used in batteries? Answer: lithium. What is the symbol for the element chlorine? Answer: Cl. Which element is used to make mirrors? Answer: silver is used to make mirrors. Which element is used in making light bulbs? Answer: tungsten is used in making light bulbs. What is the symbol for the element helium? Answer: He. Which element is commonly used as a refrigerant? Answer: chlorofluorocarbons, CFCs, are commonly used as refrigerants. What is the symbol for the element iron? Answer: Fe. Which element is used to make fertilizers? Answer: nitrogen is used to make fertilizers. What is the symbol for the element oxygen? Answer: O. Which element is used to make glass? Answer: silicon is used to make glass. Which element is used to make computer chips? Answer: silicon is used to make computer chips. What is the symbol for the element gold? Answer: O. Which element is used to make jewelry? Answer: gold is commonly used to make jewelry. Which element is used to make coins? Answer: copper and nickel are commonly used to make coins. What is the symbol for the element uranium? Answer: U. Which element is used as a fuel in nuclear reactors? Answer: uranium is used as a fuel in nuclear reactors. What is the symbol for the element potassium? Answer: K. Which element is commonly found in table salt? Answer: sodium. Which element is used to make stainless steel? Answer: chromium is used to make stainless steel. What is the symbol for the element silver? Answer: Ag. Which element is used in photography? Answer: silver is used in photography.